In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder for a sent envelope in DocuSign. If you've already sent a document for signature and you're still waiting on someone to complete their part, sending a reminder is a quick and helpful way to keep things moving. DocuSign makes this process straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you know exactly what to look for. Start by opening the DocuSign website and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Manage section. This is where DocuSign keeps track of the envelopes you've sent, received and saved, so it's the best place to manage anything that is already in progress. From there, select the Send tab. This will show you the envelopes that have already been sent out to recipients. Take a moment to find the specific envelope for which you want to send a reminder. If you have many envelopes listed, it can help to carefully check the subject line, recipient or date so you choose the correct one. When you've found it, select the envelope to open its details. This area gives you more information about the document's current progress, including who has completed their action and who is still pending. Look for the option labeled Remind or Send Reminder and select it. In some cases, DocuSign may ask you to choose the recipient who needs the reminder. If that prompt appears, simply select the correct person. This is especially useful when there are multiple recipients attached to the same envelope and only one of them still needs to sign or review the document. Next, review the reminder details. This is your chance to confirm that the reminder is going to the right person and that everything looks accurate before it's sent. Once you're ready, select Send Reminder. After that, wait for DocuSign to confirm that the reminder was sent. This confirmation is important because it lets you know the action was completed successfully. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give it a moment and watch for any notification on screen. Finally, return to the envelope details to check the updated status. This helps you verify that the reminder action has been recorded and gives you a final look at the envelope's progress. That's all there is to it. Sending reminders in DocuSign is a simple way to follow up professionally and keep your documents on track. Thanks for watching.